Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, we are at Home Depot today. There's a few things that I want to look at. So one is finish my front landscape. I've been working on that, and I need to, I guess, like work on the other side, which I've talked to you guys about. I don't know if you guys remember in my previous video about that, and I haven't come up with anything. I mean, all I can think of is that it's gonna have to be like a landscaping pavers around it, and then adding like the mulch, the black mulch, which I need to buy. And I haven't figured out like the gardening part, like the plants or the kind of plants. Sorry, someone was walking like right in front of my car and was staring at me. I want to look at wainscoting for my kitchen. So I've been wanting to do wainscot for a really long time, but I didn't know that I had to think or take into consideration that if I put it behind my sink and it's MDF, then it's gonna bubble up. So I actually found that this Home Depot has like a PVC material, which is obviously like plastic if you don't know what PVC means. And I want to go look at it and see what it looks like, because it kind of looks like it's a really good deal, but I don't know if I'm reading correctly, you know, or if I actually think I know what I'm looking at. So I want to look at that. And also flooring. I just want to look at it. I'm not buying flooring right now, but I want to look at my options, because I actually have been thinking about adding tile to my front porch. I want to go the affordable route, obviously. So I've actually painted it a few times, and it looks really pretty when it's freshly painted, obviously. But then, you know, over time we get it dirty, and it actually has started to peel in some areas, which I know that I didn't do it the right way. Don't come at me for that. I know some people in the comments told me like that's not how you do it, and I know it's just that I'm doing it like in a cheap way and in the meantime kind of thing. If I wanted to do it the right way, then I would have done it the right way already, but it's really expensive to do all of that. And yeah, so I was thinking of doing tile, because also tile you can clean, you can wash, and it's gonna look really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside. I don't like coming to Home Depot because there's a lot of guys a lot of men, and they're just like, what the hell are you doing here? I found it, but it's not what I thought. Let me see. I'm even willing to go with something like this, but it's kind of pricey. Here we go again. Look at these. Never seen that color before. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. If I had a pool, I would have this all over. I actually used to have this one, but it died on me. It's really easy to maintain, but somehow, even then, I still killed it myself. So it's just $10. Not too bad.
have some trick up my sleeve I can show you, but I can guarantee you look at me and see that I'm the type of girl you're not really that used to. I'm only gonna give it to you honestly. I know this ride's taking some time, but I know I'll be okay.
Okay, it's cloudy, but it's still really hot outside, and I'm tired, honestly. But I honestly can't wait for it to be done. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and it's actually really fresh today, which is why I'm actually gonna start planting. I think this is how we're gonna set them up. Apparently they grow really big, which I probably didn't need that many, but we'll see how that goes. It would be nice for them to like take up this whole space right here. The hose situation is right there, so I don't know if I might have to move it. There's no way. I don't know. We're just gonna have to work with it and see what happens. Okay, I've actually seen online that you're supposed to lay, like, there's actually different ways. You lay cardboard or newspaper. I don't remember what else, but I remember those two. Before, like as a layer before you add the mulch, that way the weeds don't grow through. And I've only used cardboard because that's what I had access to. I had a little bit of access to something that was similar to newspaper, and I would say that the newspaper would be the best way to go if you do attempt this, because of cardboard dries obviously, and then it just bends up. Like, I think I have to over soak it in order for it to work for me.
Patiently waiting. The rest of my day went to shit. Wrote a song, but no one's listening to it. It's only times like these when I want you back in my